Hey there guys, today I'm going to try to open up the Sargent padlock, locked up. I've opened it up maybe twice. I've tried picking it open, but I can get it open on raking it open, so I'm not sure where I got it. Maybe eBay, maybe I traded with someone years ago, but I've had it for a while and not played with it or attempted really to open it, but let's try see if I can get it open again. Reset it. And there we go. It's open. You probably can shim it open. Yeah, I don't have the ball. It's really nasty. See. But there you go. It's a Sargent padlock. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching.